a snowy blizzard, lost and cold. The winds whispered secret stories untold. But then I heard your voice, clear and strong, calling to me like a forgotten song. The frost bit deep, the night was still, but your call ignited an unspoken thrill. Through the storm, I pushed my way on this Christmas Eve where dreams might stay. I rushed to you, heart pounding wild, a fleeting hope like a star beguiled. But as I drew near, the truth came through. My heart sank deep, I knew it was you, the one I couldn't dare to love, a gift I prayed for sent from above. The snow fell heavier, blurring the night, yet your shadow emerged, bathed in soft light. Memories flooded, a past so near, words left unspoken, bound by fear. Through frozen air, your name I cried, a love I buried, now couldn't hide. Each step closer, the ache grew clear, a bittersweet truth, you were always here. I rushed to you, heart pounding wild, a fleeting hope like a star beguiled. But as I drew near, the truth came through. My heart sank deep, I knew it was you, the one I couldn't dare to love, a gift I prayed for sent from above. On this Christmas Eve under starlit skies, the truth reflected in your tearful eyes. I reached for you, but words fell apart, love trapped in silence, bound in my heart. I rushed to you, heart pounding wild, a fleeting hope like a star beguiled. But as I drew near, the truth came through. My heart sank deep, I knew it was you, the one I couldn't dare to love, a gift I prayed for sent from above. As the snowflakes fell, we stood so near, yet a chasm of words kept you unclear. This Christmas Eve I'll always recall, the night I heard your heart's quiet call.